Hello everyone, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you viewers? I hope guys you will be fine and good, doing well. So back again another very beautiful and latest stylish new nails art ideas, and you will see the stylish nails art ideas for my channel. So enjoy my all videos. Guys, you will see the stylish and latest new nails art ideas, fancy nails art ideas for my channel, and latest and most beautiful attractive fancy nails designs ideas and nails art ideas, very amazing and latest new fancy nails art ideas for my channel. Enjoy my all videos guys. You will see the stylish and latest fancy nails art ideas, unique and stylish decent nails art ideas for my channel. You will see the stylish and latest new nails art ideas for my channel. So enjoy my all videos guys. Keep visiting my channel. And you will see the stylish latest more than hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. Very attractive and stylish new nails designs ideas and new nails art ideas. So enjoy my all videos guys. Keep visiting my channels and you will see the stylish fancy nails designs and nails art ideas for my channel. Keep visiting my channels and all nails are very stylish fabrics and amazing nail polish designs ideas. So enjoy my all videos guys. Keep visiting my channels and you will see the stylish fancy nails designs ideas and latest new nails art ideas for my channel. Nail polish amazing dark nail colors designs, attractive nail color designs ideas, winter nail designs ideas, and 2023 best nails art ideas for my channel. Till the next video guys, and enjoy my all videos. Keep visiting my channels and you will see the stylish fancy nail designs ideas, nails art ideas for my channel, and you will see the stylish latest new fancy nails art ideas, more than hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel.